So we're going to go over the nature versus nurture assignment that you have going on today. So I'm going to go through these slides and explain what all of them are so that you can go through and work independently on them. So what we're going to be looking at is twin studies. What twin studies are is when scientists, psychologists, they will look at twins to see what is same or different between twins. And usually they like to study identical twins instead of fraternal twins because identical twins have the most similar DNA to each other. So what you're going to do is you're going to read this explanation of what we consider nature to be and what we consider nurture to be. And then here in this box, you're going to give one sentence to describe the difference between the two. On page 3, you are going to watch this video here, separated at birth, and then you are going to answer all these questions about the video. Page 4, you are going to tell us if these traits in these boxes are nature, nurture, or both, and then you're going to say why you believe that. So the first example is child has the most difficulty cutting with scissors in his kindergarten class. Okay, so this child who's having issues figuring out how to use scissors, do you think that's a nature problem, a nurture problem, or do you think that is both? And why do you think that? We'll put that in this box. Page 5. And here you are going to take different characteristics about you. So different things about your personality. You can pick biological things like your hair color, the way you act in certain situations. And you're going to basically, you're going to tell me, like, is it hereditary or is it your environment? Okay, so if we're talking about personality, maybe you respond to anger the same way as one of your parents do. Well, you might be like, oh, well, that could be hereditary. Maybe it's just a family thing that we react that way. Or maybe because my parents raised me, I react this way to that emotion because that's how I watch them act. So you're just going to tell me which one of these categories it falls into, and it can fall into both. So you can choose both. So yeah, that's it for this lesson. So go ahead, work independently. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.